Wildfire alert from Wasco County Sheriff's Office. Level 3 go now. Evacuation from west of Highway 97 mile post 64 to west of Highway 293 and Lower Tub Spring Road intersection. Leave without delay. It is unsafe to stay and threatens the safety of you, your family, and emergency responders. Your life could be in great danger. Emergency services personnel may not be available to help if you choose to stay. Do not stop to gather your belongings or protect your home. Follow your emergency plan. Leave as fast as safely possible. Drive carefully. Turn on your headlights. Follow traffic safety warnings and instructions from local authorities. Do not call 911 unless you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue.